Okay, Joe, this is the problem I'm having. I took it off the breadboard in the other room and it was working fine. It was working fine before I took this to the breadboard. Brought it back, hooked everything up to the prototype here. It was working before. Hooked the power up. Now if I switch the switch to green, come on, go to green. Nothing happens. The lights changed here. Excuse me, but nothing happened. Don't know why. Back to red. That's what I was telling you. If I measure the voltage from here to the transistor, see if that works. Nope. I gotta sit down and do this. It's hard to do it standing up because I can't see. Okay, so let me bring this out in the open. So I have 12 volts going in. I go from negative to positive there. So I'm getting 12. I'm getting, how many volts I'm getting? 5 volts there. And 3 volts coming back. Don't know why. That means it's going through the transistor. And then that was, the emitter over here was ground. Nothing. If I turn it on, nothing happened. Don't get it. And see, now it's not working, and I don't know why. That's the resistor going to the base. Getting 48 millivolts there. The transistor should have triggered. I'm gonna bring that red light. Yeah, see, it doesn't work. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, Joe, this is part 2 of the video. Remember I told you I couldn't get it to work? You saw that video? Well, I found out what the problem was. So let's check this out and see how it works this time. And you can see the frog. I got to hold this down to have a cover on. See, it switched. So everything's working good here. You never guess what the problem was. Unbelievable. On this circuit board, I don't know if you can see it, so I can zoom in a little bit here. On the circuit board, use a screwdriver here. The wire, and my glasses on, I can't see here. Click over here. This wire from here to there, for some reason or another, this wire that connects to the emitter to there, to the pin, it was soldered, but it wasn't soldered. Go figure that one out. When I checked it with the meter, it said, no, it's not connected, but it looked like it was soldered. So anyhow, that was the problem on this. This is the prototype. Everything fits in nice and snug. The wires go through the little hole over here. Cover goes on. Everything looks good. I'm going to take this one out and put it on the layout. You can see it works really good. Perfect. I love it. Perfect alignment and everything. Yeah, okay. That's it. I will put this on YouTube and check it out.